This conference will now be recorded.
Sure. Can I stop the vault server and restart?
Sorry.
Can I restart vault server?
So when you have started this server, what?
Yesterday.
Okay, after that you didn't do any shutdown.
No. Yesterday night I have practiced something.
Okay. Yeah. Can you restart a private work server? Okay. Okay. Start again. Go back to vault. Okay. So there is no any other messages like authentication failure for app user. Okay. So go back to PVWA. Do iOS reset once. No, you have a restart button on the right side. You can click that. On the right, yeah. And now try to access the URL again. Just hit the IP of the server 192.168.10.7. We'll check whether IIS is up and running. Okay. So have you made any changes to the IIS or any configuration changes to this PVWA
No,
server?
no, no, nothing. Absolutely nothing. I have practiced yesterday night.
Okay, okay. Go back to Vault server and see any error in Italog. Yeah, it's loading. Go to component. I think page was loaded.
Yeah, work. Can I just close? Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Right, no?
Hmm.
By CPM.
Yes, yes. Click on open. Now again click on add account and try to onboard one more account, but actually that account was not present in Active Directory.
AD.
You are trying
Okay.
to onboard one
Sure.
account. After trying to verify or after trying to change, you will get an error. So we'll see that error code also. You can click on add account and onboard a new account. No, no, no. On the right side you have add account button. Select the same safe DA account, device type operating system, platform domain accounts platform. Now you can give DA user. Hmm. Log on to resolve. Enter some password and save. Or do one thing without password also you can save. Don't give password anyway. That account is not there, right? Leave it blank. Scroll down and click on save. Now associate recon account for this account.
Sure.
Yeah. Now associate reconcile account. Now you have associate button after reconciliation accounts. Below to CPM tab, you have logon account and reconcile account.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. Click on associate. Select recon account. Recon. Hmm. Associate. Now reconcile. Now again go back to the DA user one account. So we'll check the status, what it happened, it success or failed. Password change got success or failed, we'll check. You have a search box on the right side. You can search for DA user one. Okay, it got failed again. Okay, go inside to that account. So with same error, WinRC 2245. Okay. Now duplicate this tab on the browser. Duplicate this tab. On the left pane, scroll down and go to administrative options, configuration options. Click on platform management, last option. Select Windows domain account platform from top fifth on. Edit. On the right side bottom, you have edit button. Expand automatic password management section. Right click on the automatic password management section. Right click on that main tree, automatic password. Right click. Add additional policy settings. Now right side scroll down. In the additional policy settings, scroll down. Check one parameter is there, reset password, something like that. Change password in reset mode. See, one parameter is there from top to second one. Yeah. Change the value to S. Apply. Okay. Go back to accounts. Now again change. Click on change. Not reconcile. Reconcile will work. We are trying to change the password.
Yes.
Okay. Now search for DA user 2 and check the status of that account. Search for DA user 2. You will get an error like username or password incorrect or WinRC 3221 username not found. Either of the error, any one of that error you will get. Because actually that account was not there in AD. We are trying to onboard that account into CyberArk and trying to reconcile the password. So it was locked by CPM, I think. Go into that account. Disabled. Okay. Click on more details and check the error code. I think WinRC 3221. Click on more details. No. Yeah. Yeah. WinRC 3221. If you see the error code, region, the
Yes.
username could not be found. Means in Active Directory, actually this account was not there, but we are trying to onboard. We have onboarded this account and trying to change the password or reconcile the password for this particular account. So in that
Okay.
cases, you will get WinRC 3221. Username could not be found. Okay.
Okay.
So if you get a request in the ticketing tool to onboard the account or server, you are onboarding request. But after reconciliation, if you get this error, you need to contact that server team or AD team for creating that account in the target. Okay. So after creation of that account in the target, you need to reconcile the account in the CyberArk.
Okay.
Then it will be successful reconciliation.
Okay.
Okay. Now go back to
Just
DA
if,
user
just
one
if we
account.
change the password also, it will not work, right?
It will not work. Change will work only if the password is in sync in target and in vault. Actually, this account was
Okay.
not present in target. So how change will work? And the password is
Okay.
also different. Here we haven't gave any password while onboarding, right? We gave
Right.
empty dummy password.
Mm-hmm.
Close and go to DA user one. Go into that account. Now password change got successful. Go to activities. Now see change CPM change password is success. Click on that. It is success. So we have changed one parameter in at platform level. Change the password in reset mode something. That parameter we have changed it from no to yes. So after that password change got successful. Means through reconcile account it will log into the target server and it will change the password for that particular account and it will update the same password on the vault server. Go to
So in
version.
this case, which would be the target server, Suman?
So if you see the address, what is the address you have mentioned for this account?
10.5.
On the left hand side you have yeah 10.5. So that is active directory, right? So here our
Right.
target server is active directory and DA user one where you have created in AD only, right?
On AD only, right?
So AD is the target server. So if you are onboarding local accounts, means you have some servers. So in that
Mm-hmm.
servers, if you have some privileged accounts and if you are onboarding those accounts into CyberArk, those are called local accounts. So we can onboard local account also. So you can create one account on the component server and add it to administrators group. Wait. I will tell you. Before that, go to versions tab here. After activities, you have a versions tab. Hmm. So if you see all the versions of the passwords are stored here. Okay. On the below you have a checkbox. Don't display temporary password versions. Uncheck that. So if you see here, you have temporary passwords also. Means before logging into that target server, this CPM user will generate one temporary password in the vault for this account. And it will log into the target server using current password. And after successful login, it will update this temporary password first at the target side. After successful updation on the target end, it will update the password in the vault also. Okay. So initially, it will generate a temporary password in the vault itself and it will log
Okay.
into the target server using current password in case of if you click on change. In case if you click on reconcile, it will log into the target server using reconcile account. Okay. So these are all the differences. Why I am stressing on this point is they will ask you in interview like what is the difference between change and reconcile. So what scenarios you will go for change and what scenarios you will go for reconcile. So what password verification will do. So all these questions they will ask. Okay. Yeah, now go to local users and groups and you can create a one local account. We can onboard local account also. Create one account.
Can I create D
You can,
user too?
yeah, that is fine, but it is local account, right? Again, that naming convention you can't understand. Mean, uh, CYMP comp hyphen local or what you give? What is that local? DA local.
DA local.
Fine. Uncheck that checkbox. User must change the password. Close. Now onboard, add that account to administrators group and onboard the account. Give full administrators, it will work. Click add account. Better if you create, okay, fine. Now, yeah, select operating system, platform. So it is local account, Windows Server local accounts, okay. DA local, yeah, resolve, log on to resolve, okay. Now give the password,
Correct password or wrong password?
correct password. If you give wrong password and if you click on verify, you will get an error message. WinRC 1326 incorrect username or password.
Okay.
Click on save. Click on verify. Restart the CPM service, then it will be quick. Yeah, refresh. It is locked by CPM. If you check if you see the status, it is locked by CPM, means CPM is performing some activity on this account. Again, refresh.
Where is that logged by CPU?
About to copy button, you have a status. Object is locked by password manager. So password manager is nothing but CPM user. Yeah, again, refresh. So verification got successful. You can click on connect.
Click on
and observe the difference. Connect button and observe the difference. So if you are trying to connect with domain account, it is prompting for remote machine name, correct? But here it is a local account, so it is not prompting for remote machine name. Only it is asked for region.
Yes, it is not asked for the IP address.
Remote machine name, not IP address. In real time, we will not use IP address. We will go with host names only. But here we don't have DNS server, so we are going with IP address. Okay, but here the difference what I'm saying is for domain accounts, it will prompt for remote machine name, but for local account, it will not prompt because using that local account, we can connect to that particular server only. Means using this demo local account, you can connect to the component server only. Using this account, you can't connect to any other server. So for that reason, it will not prompt for remote machine name while connecting to the target.
Okay, got it.
So
because domain is not going to resolve.
Sorry?
Because domain is not going to resolve in that case, right?
Not domain. Where you have created this account?
Local, of course, local.
Using this account, you can connect only to that particular server only, right? Using this account, you can't connect to any other server.
So, yes.
What is the need of asking remote machine name for while connecting to this account?
In case if I created that account on Vault server, then instead of component,
why you will create account in Vault and you can't directly connect to the Vault server also? If you try
that is also Local account. Not in
Yeah,
domain.
again, that's local account, but if you want to connect it to the vault server through RDP, you need to allow firewall port 3389 from the vault server to that
338.
particular server.
Hmm.
Either CPM or PSM. It depends upon your architects in your company. So most of the companies they will allow CPM port CPM server IP for the port
Okay.
3389. So if you want to connect to the vault, first you will connect to the CPM server from your laptop, either direct RDP or if they have onboarded to CyberArk, you will log into CyberArk portal and click on connect. So after connecting to the CPM server, you need to do RDP to the vault.
Okay. And for AD also same.
AD, see, CyberArk team will not connect to the AD server, right? That domain controllers. What is the purpose for connecting to the DC? Only that
Nothing.
Active Directory team will connect to that DCs. So we need to onboard DA accounts to the CyberArk. So using DA, we will provide access this DA accounts to that Active Directory team. So they will use
Okay.
this DA accounts and they will connect to the Active Directory.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
we can configure one connector, ADUC connector, Active Directory users and computers connector using PowerShell script. So if you
Okay.
configure that connector, only that ADUC console will launch, not at the entire
Hmm.
server.
Okay.
Okay. You know, right? In Windows, we can install that ADUC connector. I mean, so that
Yes. Yes.
only that specific. Yeah, like that, we need to write a script in PowerShell and we need to configure DSC.MSC connector for that particular account.
Okay. Okay.
You can close this server RDP connection. Click on close. Okay, so I have shared two files with you. One is password vault, password upload utility and saves.
The edit is working. I tried to do login with the administrator account and tried, but it's not. It is also not allowing me. So I tried all the steps also. Whatever.
Yeah, I have pinged you in the chat. In GoToMeet chat, you can copy that link and open. So for your issue, Shankar, we need to check why it is not working in the new VM also. Or we can
Yes,
do
sir.
one thing. Yeah, we can download another ISO, but it is working for all. So even Mohit is also installed the same ISO image. Srinath and Srikar is there. So if you import those files, all the softwares have already installed. Means Vault in one server and CPN PVWA PSM in another server. But those file sizes are like 4 GB each file. So I'm thinking I need to share those files or how to resolve this issue. Just you have a task like you need to onboard some 20 to 50 accounts. So in that case, we have a utility provided by CyberArk. So that is nothing but password upload utility. So using password upload utility, we can onboard bulk accounts in a single shot. Okay. So for onboarding bulk accounts, we need to prepare a CSV file. Just open password upload utility. Yeah. So this is the configuration files directory where we have the utility, where the utility resides. Now open wall.inf file. So here you need to give your vault server IP address. In the address field, change 1.1.1 to your vault server IP address. Save and close. After that, yeah, save. After that, you need to create one CRUD file through which user you are going to run this PVU utility. Okay. So for creating CRUD file, open command window here. Just shift right click on the empty space. Close this run. Or yeah, you can navigate to that path. Anything is fine.
One prompt and
Shift right click on the empty space. Are you holding shift key?
yes. Yes.
Okay, you are not getting that option. Okay, you can go to run and CD space, go to this path.
Shift
Yeah,
right and
now you got open command window here. So directly it will open, go to this path. If you see,
okay.
it
Okay.
gone through that path. Okay, now
Got it.
we need to create a user file for running this password upload utility. Okay, so we have a utility, you have a tool provided by the CyberArk for creating CRUD files. Just drag that command window right side. Just I want to see the files available in that folder. You have create auth file. Okay, just type create and hit tab button, space, user.ini, enter. So provide username as administrator. So we don't have any other user, so we can run this script using administrator, but in real time. So for administrator spelling, okay. But in real time, we will create one separate user for running password upload utility or backly. For running these scripts, we can create a separate user in the vault, and we will provide necessary permission for that particular user. Hit enter. Now provide the administrator password, vault administrator password. Yeah, enter. Uh, Minimize this command prompt. And if you see inside that folder, you have a user.ini about to what? Open that. So here username is administrator and password is encrypted. Okay, close this file. And for running this password upload utility, we have a configuration file also, that is conf.ini, first file. Open first file. Scroll down. Little bit up. Okay, fine. This is fine. So if you see here, vault file equal to vault.ini, CRUD file equal to user.ini, password file equal to passwords.csv. So for vault file means in vault.ini we have a vault server IP address, and user file, CRUD file, through which user we are running this utility. So that is administrator, and we have created a CRUD file user.ini. Next one is passwords file. So where all the passwords, username and passwords details are stored means passwords.csv file. Okay, below you have a default template safe. So you need to give one template safe. Through it will take that safe as a reference, and it will create a new safe. Now go to your PVWA page and copy the safe name. Windows domain account something, you have one safe, right? Copy that D accounts safe name. Copy that and paste it in that conf.inf file.
Here, right?
Yes, paste it. CPM user admin rights, no, allow user impersonation on sharing, no. Okay, change allow full impersonate sharing equal to S. Apart from that, update if exist equal to S. Okay, everything is fine. You can save and close. Okay, now go to that PU folder again and copy the passwords.csv file to your local machine. Copy to your local machine. So here Microsoft Excel is not there, so we can't open in a proper way. Paste here and open that file. Policy ID, address, username, type. Okay, from column K to and you can delete. From column K, yeah, to end. Delete entire columns. Yes, delete. Hello.
No.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Now from row 2 number.
Yes, one.
Row 2 to end. Yes. From row 2 to end, you can delete everything. Okay. Scroll up and you can delete column B also. Now fill the data. So first column B, CPM user. Who is CPM user? What is the name of the CPM user? Hmm.
CPM user.
Hmm.
Okay.
Go back to your PVWA page. Open Chrome. Yeah, if you see not for this account, go back to DA user one or some other accounts. Who is changing the passwords? Or who is the user of CPM? So after installing CPM, you will get one user, right? What is that username?
Yes. The user one is changing the password.
No. So CPM username is
No,
password
we have
manager.
changed the password for the user.
Who locked that account while performing change or reconcile or verification? CPM user only, right? So what is that username?
Yes.
That username is password manager. Go inside to that account and copy that password manager. If you see the last modified, see who is last modified? Password manager. Copy that
Password
password manager.
manager. Okay.
Copy that and paste into that CPM username field in that Excel. Without spaces, just verify after manager is there any space? No. Okay, fine. Next, save. Uh, yeah, in Excel only, go to column C. We need to enter safe details. So we will create a new safe using password upload utility. Yeah. So you can give test one. Actually, test one safe is not there, right? So it will create automatically. In case if the safe is available, it will onboard the accounts to that particular safe. Okay, you
Right
can
now we have
copy
only DA account set. Right.
copy that D accounts and paste it in that third row. We can practice both ways. Means if the safe is not there, it will create new one. If the safe is there, it will onboard the account to that particular safe. Not on the D, you need to copy below to test one. Cut there, yeah, paste. Folder root. For all accounts, folder is root, ROOT. Expand that column E. What is that? Password. Only password, right? You can give anything, or you can leave it as a blank also. Just give test at the rate 123 ABC 123, anything you can give. Anyway, we are just onboarding dummy accounts to CyberArk. Actually, these accounts were not there in target servers. So just we are creating some dummy accounts for practicing password upload utility. Okay. Device type operating system. Go back to PVW again. Policy ID is nothing but platform name. But here, if you see, platform name is Windows domain account, but it is not the correct platform name. Just go to options again, administrative options. Scroll down on the left side and go to administrative options, configuration options. Click on platform management. Select Windows domain account platform and click on edit. On the right side, you have edit button. Expand UAND workflow. Or select your target account platform, top one. Select UAND workflow or automatic password management. Somewhere we have a details. Select just one by one. UAND workflow select. Okay. Yeah. If you see the ID on the right side, you have an ID. Win domain. Copy that win domain. So that is the policy ID. Copy and paste it in the Excel. Next column H, address. So in address, you can give anything like 192 or 10 dot some dummy address. So actually these accounts are not there. Just we are for practice purpose, we are onboarding these accounts. Any address you can give 10.5, 6, 10, anything.
Out of my 3 VMs or anything?
Anything. See, if you give your 3 VMs also, 3 VMs IPs also, these accounts will not manage because actually these accounts are not there in target. Just for practice purpose, we are onboarding. Okay, so for that reason, I am telling you, you can give any address. Next, username. Username you can give test one. Huh. Now, now copy E2 to I2 and paste in the below.
E2
Yeah,
to
ET to I2 and copy below. Yeah, paste below and change the username to test2 or something. Last column. Yeah. And copy the username of CPM user also, password manager. Copy and paste below. So only one column left, that is a column, password underscore name. Okay, so password underscore name is nothing but in CyberArk, after onboarding any account, they will give one unique name for that object. Go back to PVWA, I will show you where that is. Go to accounts tab. Open any account, DA account or local, anything. So you have a name field below to save name. Just select it and see what are all the fields that name field has. So it is concatenation of device type, means operating system, platform and name, window domain, next target address, address 192.168 and username DA user1. So we need to provide unique name like this in the Excel file also. Go to your CSV, I will tell you. Just type equal to concatenate equal to, concatenate.
you want me to
Type
type?
you can select that concatenate you got below. Now select first is operating system, means F2 comma capital F2 comma double quotes hyphen again double quotes comma G2 comma double quotes, same double quotes hyphen double quotes comma H2 comma again same double quotes hyphen double quotes comma I2. I2 bracket close, enter. Now drag the same to below cell also. Copy, paste or drag, anything is fine. Now copy those two cells, copy, right click, paste values. So in paste options you have values, second option I think. 1, 2, 3 is there, right? Not formula, values you need to paste. In the paste options you have a second option.
Paste below.
Above you have some
System
icons.
1, 2, 3.
Now save this file. If you see, it is the concatenation of operating system, Windows domain, a target server address, and username. Okay, so same how CyberArk have gave the username, we have prepared the CSV file like that. Copy this CSV and paste it into password upload utility folder. So you have copied, right? Yeah. Again, we will verify after pasting into that folder. Yeah, replace. Now right click that passwords.csv and open in Notepad once, just for cross verification. Oh, edit or open with Notepad. Okay, fine. Scroll right side, and after test one, is there any spaces? Just put the cursor. No spaces. Okay, close this. If you have spaces after tester to remove it and save it. Yeah, save, close. Now open that command prompt. Below you have a command. Now type the command password.
It was in a notepad format only, Sumanji, no issue, no?
No, it is CSV only, but you have opened with Notepad, so it is showing that Notepad icon.
Okay.
Again tab. Again hit on tab. Space conf.ini. No, conf.ini. So in configuration file, we have all the details, right? Vault file, user file, and passwords file. So we are providing input as a conf.ini. So the utility is password upload.exe. So for that utility, we are providing conf.ini as a input file. Okay, hit enter. So what password uploadability ended with 0 errors, means both two accounts have successfully onboarded to CyberArk. Now go to PVWA page and refresh the page. You can see those two accounts. Go to accounts, view classic QA and give blank search. Yeah, log in once again. Yeah, go to accounts, or you can check in this view also, no problem. Just scroll down or give blank search. Yeah, test 2 and test 1 is also there. Test 1. So these two accounts we have onboarded just a few minutes back using password upload utility. Okay.
Okay.
So using this tool, we can onboard n number of accounts. Okay. If that safe is not there, this utility will create the safe. If that safe is there, it will onboard to that particular safe. Okay. So you can.
So every time we need to enter this command, right?
Every time.
Every time we need to enter this command.
Yes, if you want to run the password upload utility, you need to prepare CSV file and you need to run that command. Password upload.exe space conf.in.
There is no any option, just create a CSV file and upload it somewhere.
No. There is one more option also. Yeah, that's correct. So in recent, I think not in this version, in 11.6 version, you have an add account button, right, in PVWA page on the right side top.
Yes.
So there they have provided two options. We can onboard single account or we can onboard bulk using Excel file, CSV file. So in 11.2, that option is not there, but in 11.6 onwards, that option is there. If you click on add account, you have two options there, single account or bulk. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Rikar, you were asking something.
Yes, Sumanji. In real-time scenario, who will provide this password utility file?
So after initialization of CyberArk only, CyberArk team only will put this password upload utility file in CPM or PVWA or PSM server. So whenever if you
Okay.
want to run, you need to log into that particular server. And before that, you need to prepare CSV file in your local machine and copy that file.
Okay, understand.
But now most of the companies are using REST API scripts, so it depends upon again company to company. It may be different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. Just I want to show you a few comments how CPM will change the password or reconcile the password before winding up this session.
Well, why this is red? User 2? Because user account is not there.
Yeah, so it is disabled by the CPM. On the left side, if you see, it is red and
Yes.
you have icon. Account is disabled by CPM because that account is not there, and after first attempt only, uh, that CPM matches one error code and it disabled that account.
Okay. In case later on I'll create this account on destination, then will it
You can,
make
yeah, you can
changes?
click on reconcile. It will reconcile successfully. Or if you click on change, will not work anyway because here there is no password for this account. You need to click on reconcile.
Okay. Okay.
Any other queries, or I can move ahead with that comments.
No. That's it.
Okay.
For me, that's it.
So CPM uses Microsoft API commands in background for doing password change or reconcile or verification. Okay. So here are the commands: net user change password for change, net user set info for reconcile. Okay. So in case if CPM wants to verify the password, it will log into the target machine using this command: netuse/address IPC $user domain username. Okay. So these are all the commands in background. CPM will connect to the target servers for password change or reconcile or verification. Okay. So just want to show you these comments because might be they may ask in the interview. So how CPM will change the passwords or how CPM will reconcile the password. You can tell using Microsoft API commands, it will perform those activities. Okay. So in case if they ask what are those commands, you can tell like I don't remember exactly, but something like some net user change password kind of thing, you can inform to them. So they will agree. Okay. Yeah.
So where
So
can we find this file? Is it there hard coded somewhere?
yeah, you